Welcome to the ETF Master Trader Charts tutorial. I'm going to walk you through different charts and resources to get covers within the educational system. Where to find the ETFs within a sector. This can be done right here through the Tools section of the ETF Master Trader website. Simply click on the Tools tab, then click ETF Listing. Now this will give you a list of the sectors and ETFs within each sector. As new ETFs are introduced, we will add these to the ETF listing. However, if you happen to find an ETF that we do not have posted yet, please mail it to etflist@tycoonu.com. This is a wonderful way for you to participate in the ETF Master Trader community. If you would like to determine which holdings are in each ETF, just come to the ETF listing. Click on any ETF. Let's try iShares Dow Jones U.S. Industrial, IYJ. Click on the symbol to link to the current quote on Yahoo Finance. On the left side of the page, you can access more information on the ETF. Click on the Holdings link. Here you will find a list of the top 10 holdings within each ETF. From here, we will go and create a perf chart. You can do a perf chart to compare relative strength of stocks or ETFs. For instance, to do a perf chart on the holdings within an ETF, take note of the symbols of each holding. Write down each one of these symbols. Now we're going to go to stockcharts.com. We'll go to the upper right-hand side of the page and choose the type of chart. From the drop-down, we'll select Perf Chart. Next, we need to enter at least one symbol. For this demonstration, let's use the top 5 holdings we found in our iShares ETF. We'll start with MMM and separate each symbol with a comma. Keep in mind, you can enter up to 10 symbols to compare here. After you submit the ticker symbols you want to compare, click on Go. The site will bring up a line chart. Teague will be the first to tell you that this chart format is incredibly complex and complicated. He prefers to use the histogram chart, which you will see throughout his presentation. To get to this chart, just click on the histogram symbol, which is the second button towards the bottom left of the chart. This will give you your perf chart. You can then pull the comparison over to the number of days you're looking to compare. Teague will often refer to P&F charts. The one he uses within the educational system is on a premium site called Investors Intelligence. Now you can use this, but it is a paid site. A free site you can use to access P&F charts, again, is stockcharts.com. Go up to Create a Chart from the drop-down box and select the P&F chart. Type in your symbol. Here we'll choose MMM, then hit Go. Another chart Tika refers to is a stochastics chart. Let's go over to bigcharts.com to pull up one of these types of charts. Toward the top of the page, there are 3 buttons: Basic, Advanced, and Interactive. To the left of those buttons, you can select the symbol you want to look up. Then click Advanced. You will need to add some settings to this to get your fast and slow stochastics. So from the screen that just came up, look on the left side in the blue bar. Click on the Indicators button. Leave Volume in the Lower Indicator 1 box. Go to the drop-down box for the Lower Indicator 2 and select Fast Stochastic. Then select Slow Stochastic for Lower Indicator 3. Now click the Draw Chart button. This button is found in the blue bar on the left side of the page towards the top. And here you have your fast and slow stochastics chart. We hope that answers any questions you may have on the charts Tika uses in his presentation. Just remember, you're never alone. You have 24/7 access to a community filled with your peers, upperclassmen who've mastered the course material, and the ongoing support of the Tycoon U faculty members.